Hey everyone, welcome to this Delve Stack tutorial video. In today's Delve Stack tutorial video, we'll learn about how to fix anti-aliasing in Minecraft. Let's get into it. First, open your video settings menu. Launch your game, hit the pause button, or look at the main menu, and click on the options button, then select video settings. Wait for the full list of graphic sliders and buttons to pop open on your screen, because you cannot change how smooth the blocks look from inside your regular walking screen. You have to open this special options panel so the game knows you want to rewrite the graphics rules. Without this step, you would just see your standard blocks instead of fixing the edge lines. Next, turn off the Mipmap levels. You need to find a specific slider that controls how the game blurs things that are far away from your character, as this often conflicts with your screen lines. Look for the slider labeled Mipmap levels on your screen and drag it all the way down to 0 or turn it off. Click the button carefully and wait a brief second for the game screen to refresh its look. Sometimes the game's built-in blurring tool makes the edges of blocks look weird and fuzzy when they mix together. By turning this setting down, you stop the internal system from automatic blurring, making it much easier to fix the overall picture in the next step. It ensures your baselines are clean before you make any final changes. Close the panel, reopen your game window, and look at your blocks to see the perfectly flat and smooth lines. Once you hit apply, your computer takes over the heavy lifting and smoothens every jagged edge automatically. Now your setup is completely finished and your world looks crisp. And that's it. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.